Welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Let's discuss a question regarding the points of intersection of parabolas. Okay, if A is not equal to 0 and the line 2bx plus 3cy plus d passes through the points of intersection of parabolas this and this, okay, then d square is plus 2b plus 2b plus etc etc. Okay, so let's start and check which one is correct. The point of intersection of a parabolas are the point of intersection of the parabolas are points of intersection of parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and 4ay are zero zero four a comma 4a. But a is not equal to 0. Now three cy is equal to 0 passes through four a. Therefore, you can write d is equal to 0 and 2b into 4a is equal to 0, that is 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, or d square plus 2b plus 3c whole square is equal to 0. See, since a is not equal to 0, so that becomes your correct option. Your correct option is your 2b d square. So your a becomes your correct 2b plus 3c. So that's your option A. It's already, if you look at it, it's d square 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. So that's, thank you for watching the video.